Hi everyone, welcome to a new week of Carolyn and her clothes. And I have absolutely no makeup on. Usually I do wear a little eyeliner, mascara, got nothing on today. Why is that? Well, today I plan to get a massage and there's no point in putting in makeup or jewelry on for that. And I decided to film before that because they're gonna massage me and my hair is gonna be out like this when they're done. I really need a massage for the amount of times that I go to the gym. My body is killing me. Like my muscles at night hurt. I sleep on a heating pad pretty much every night. So a massage is something that actually like my muscles need. It feels good to me. All right, so what am I wearing for this? Well, I decided because it's gonna be in the upper 70s and I haven't worn this sweater yet, and I got this from a Stitch Fix. This is by that name brand Les Serene, and I'm wearing it with a little black denim skirt by Just Black USA, which I also got from Stitch Fix, but I ordered it from Freestyle probably about a year and a half ago, and my Golda sneakers that I got from a Stitch Fix upon request from my stylist. And this is my outfit for today. And one of the reasons why I chose this, it's very quick on, very quick off, so I can get my massage. What else am I up to today? Well, I do have a video to do for you. I have laundry, changing the sheets, cleaning the basement, and all that kind of fun stuff. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday and I have a very short week this week. I took off Thursday because I have to bring my daughter back from college, and you will not see an outfit for today, and trust me, you're not gonna miss anything. I am gonna be wearing the yuckiest clothes I own because I expect to get dirty and moving her out. We're literally driving up to her school, and in the same day, coming back home. So it's like a full day of driving and moving. So not much fun. So you won't see a video from me Thursday. And today, I have no makeup, no jewelry, and you're gonna say, again, Carolyn? I mean, I know I don't usually wear much to begin with, but I have a dermatologist appointment today where I get the full body scan, so they requested no makeup, no jewelry, don't put any hairspray in, no gel, and no nail polish. Now, I'm gonna get yelled at because I have nail polish on my toes. I refuse to take it off. I just had a pedicure last week. I am not taking it off yet. They basically said they wouldn't be able to do a complete exam if any of these things happen, so oh well, my toes won't get examined. But what am I wearing today? Well, I'm kind of looking a little fall today, but I'm okay with that. I am wearing this sleeveless sweater tank from Loft, probably circa 2018, 2019, with the Skyzer blue blazer, definitely circa 2018. It's one of the first Stitch Fix things that I got. This blazer is like a beige, like I guess a muted navy, and you could barely see it, but there is a slight like rust or burnt orange stripe going in it. So that's why I'm wearing the burnt orange sweater with this jacket. It is so subtle, but I think because the jacket is muted, it goes. And I paired it with a pair of dark wash jeans, a brown belt, and my Michael Kors brown heeled sandals. And the jeans are from Loft with the patch pockets here in front. So Loft jeans, Loft top, definitely different time frames, different years. Shoes are, I believe, Nordstrom's, Michael Kors, and the jacket is from Stitch Fix, and all of them are quite old. So hopefully this inspires some of you to shop your closet, and take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday and I went to the gym this morning, died, was reincarnated, and here I am. So what am I wearing today? Again, I'm working from home, not really going anywhere. I decided to wear this mauve jacket by Liverpool. I think the last time I wore this, I said it was cut from the cloth. It is not, it is by Liverpool. It has the frayed collar around here, and the bottom is also unfinished and frayed. This is very stretchy in this mauve color. With it, I decided to wear this vintage Daniel Rain top that I purchased from a ThredUp. So this one has this banded bottom. It has this pretty crochet detail going down here and embroidery all up the center. And I guess this is also a mauve color that's just very, very muted. So it's a very pretty top, and I got it like 3 years ago from a ThredUp. I think back in 2020 during the pandemic, I ordered a ThredUp box. And when they were still doing their goodie boxes. And I am wearing, or maybe I ordered it directly from them, I can't remember. And I'm wearing my cut from the cloth split hem jeans that I purchased directly cut from the cloth. And I'm wearing my Dolce Vita slide-on, Pito mules. And this is my outfit for today. Oh, and I'm wearing my Nakamall earrings from Stitch Fix, which I got in my last box, and I couldn't wait to wear them. Look how nicely it goes with all this. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Wednesday, and as I mentioned to you, I will not be filming tomorrow, Thursday. I have to pick my daughter up at college, and trust me, anything I wear is nothing that you guys would want to see. And I'm thinking of maybe even making this my last one for the week and starting off Friday with a new week. I know it's kind of weird and everything, but I think I want to do a new theme of new with tags, and I think I want to start wearing all my new clothes, and I figured I'd just do it all in one video. So, what am I wearing today? I'm very casual today. I am wearing an Amazon little sweater in this bright yellow. It has pointelle stitching down here, nice little V-neck. Puff little sleeves, adorable little sweater that I got, I think last year from Amazon. Love it. I have it paired with a very casual, relaxed boyfriend jean from Express, probably purchased 2 years ago. And a pair of Wantable sneakers that I got from a Stitch Fix. And I am very casual today because today is like my Friday. I'm off tomorrow to bring my daughter back from college. And then Friday, my company gave us off. And so I have a 5-day weekend with Memorial Day coming up. I am so stoked. Okay, take care. And if I don't see you again, next week you'll see a new video. Take care. Bye.